She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
What's some beautiful people?
What's up, guys?
I don't know it's Island Boy Africa and
Chico La Isla and Little Island.
yeah man, so
It's loud out here. We just came to do a quick like fruit shopping because I'm craving fruits.
quick little shopping.
But
isn't
yeah,
it?
that's what we're doing, guys.
Yeah, so we are going to a market and then we going to a supermarket. Isn't it? So you guys gonna journey along. So
Yeah, for sure.
stay tuned, guys.
Alright, bless up. Hey Bobo, we're gonna go for a little walk, stroll down the street and have a look around.
I'll go across.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna get some fruit and some nappies and all that kind of stuff. And ladies selling veggies. Show what ladies side? Yeah? Alright, cool. Fruit. Yeah. Yeah, pineapple and banana. And yeah, for sure. Yeah, guys. So baby Island just woke up. He must have got like started with all the noise and everything. So that's what he's been doing. He just any big noise he hears, he kind of gets really scared. So that's him. This is what I was telling you about. You see this? What do you call that?
Irish mush.
Do you wash your body with that? Oh. Okay, so I was wrong about that. No, because people call it loofah. Yeah, guys. Oh, how much is the pineapple? Oh, really? Okay. Breadfruit. What for? We're going to make it with though. You want it? Ask the lady. Oh no, that lady was the same lady that tried ripping me off. You're alright, thank you. So you'll find all your nice fresh veg here, guys.
How much about this, sir?
What are you gonna make this sorrow drink?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, Port Antonio markets. Yeah. You know what I'm looking for, guys, but it's not in season. My favorite mangoes, they're not here. Apple, we just got a bag of apple, guys, and sorrel. I didn't film that part.
Yeah, so we get some sorrel and pineapple. No orange?
Don't look alright. No, we'll grab this one. Give someone else. Be a business. Hello. Hello.
What's a pound for Irish? Give me a pound of Irish.
Okay, guys, so you'll walk down this way and you'll find like just a whole heap of markets, and everyone sells, you know, a bit different. Nice Irish guys. Cool.
obviously.
No, I'm not scared. Hi. Bananas? What are bananas? Got bananas there. So baby, what you say?
Yeah, get some stuff, you know, to bring home to liquor shopping, you know?
Yeah.
Which is right. Anything else that's what you want? Yeah.
Hi. How are you?
Give me one phone. No?
What's that? What are you getting?
Carrot. As you know, that lady just said 300.
I thought she said 600.
No, 3.
My bad. I wish, you're alright. I wish they were bloody mangoes.
Oh, the papaya.
Yeah.
I want you to mix a scallion and thyme.
Oops. Thanks, see ya. Defo, babe, defo. It's defo.
Yeah, definitely.
Matches, oranges, they look good. What you getting, baby?
Orange.
Just a few of them? Alright, cool. Nice, thank you. Alright, they don't, it doesn't see like bananas, maybe on the front section. Banquet. You alright? Thank you. Not today, thank you. Yeah guys, so now we're walking through the markets. I don't know if we've ever walked through here, but like filmed through here before, but they have some really nice gifts you can take back home if you guys want. Come through here. Hey. All right. Hi, how you going? That's good. We go in front.
Yeah.
So they sell like all heaps of shoes and things like that, guys. Yeah.
Evidence we saw, like, he moved his arm towards the ball, obviously. They didn't that way.
Big boss.
Hello.
No, man.
So much,
We circle, man. Don't
Yeah.
You gotta get older.
He is. Hi, Island. Say hi.
Yeah, man.
What's something on and maybe something.
Alrighty. Alright, bye. Bye. That's nice, babe. Brown lingerie. Yes, baby.
Let's walk here.
So for all those people that don't know this supermarket, what's its name again? Kamal's. Yeah, alright, thank you. Bobo, hold the camera. No, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Alright, let's go straight to the aisle. We're going to this way.
Two of the biggest street parties in the world collide this Saturday on the same frequency.
So guys, I love this stuff. Cocoa butter cream. It's really, really good. That's what I like. Alright. Alright, let's go get you Pampers. Get you some Pampers. Size 4. Size 4. They don't really have much of it.
Right here on 94.5. You are now to mix with DJ Deli. DJ Deli's about to go in Jamaica. Make some noise.
Alright guys, I'm gonna stop here for now.